My favorite meal in Grebel is probably mac and cheese because I love cheese. There's me and one other student here that eat halal, and we both get quite a lot of meat, like usually either once a week or twice a week, which is really nice of them. And whenever there's no meat, we can just eat vegetarian option, which is also nice. I came from not just like a different religion but different culture, so our food is different. But it's different in a good way. Like it's nice to experience other kind of food and like different culture food. But they do here sometimes do food from other culture, which I think it's really nice to change it up a bit.
I was a little worried when I first came here because I was pretty new to eating lactose-free foods and stuff, but they already kind of had like a plan laid out, and even at like Commie Sap they had a special loaf of bread that didn't have any butter on the top for me, and they have like nice little labels that tell you what everything is. So yeah, they always make it super easy for you. You don't have to like go hunting for your